Hi guys, I'm here today just to make a quick video to show you how to use the online shop on this very website, DFFY Perfumery. So what you need to do first is to make it easier for yourself. At the top menu, go to My Account and click on that. Right, we are now going to register our account. So you need to type in your email address and then click on the button register. What is going to happen now is that you will be receiving an email. As you can see here, your account with DFY Perfumery is using a temporary password. We emailed you a link to change your password. So now go to your email, open your email, and you will see in the email is a link that you can click on. It will say here, let me show you quickly. Click here to reset your new password, and you click on that. To open this screen, new password and re-enter password. So you type your password, preferably choose a password that is strong, that's at least 8 characters, not less than 8, with a capital letters, small letters, numbers, and a special character in as well. Let's do this quickly. It will show you the strength of your password as you type it. And then you click on save. You see, it says your password has been reset successfully, right? And it has also now logged you into your account. You can go to your dashboard. But the very first thing to do now is to click on the button address. So we're going to fill in our address here. There's a billing address and a shipping address. So it's very important to do both. Start with the billing address, as this one will require your cell phone number as well. You see there, and you see it's a compulsory field. There's a reason for that, because at the end of the day, when you place your first order, the owner will contact you via telephone and arrange with you for payments and shipping. Just click on save address. Same with shipping address. You can complete this. Um, and then click on save. As you will see, it will show you your addresses here. They don't necessarily have to be the same, but it will be a good idea to do this first, because every order you place from now on will not ask you to do this again and again. All right, now you can go to orders. If you have any orders, it will be displayed here, and you can go to your account details. This is where you can just put in your first name and last name, and then don't fill in the password here. Just click on save. It will save those details, and you're done. Now you can continue and go shopping. So you can go to the shop. You'll see the categories: gift boxes, perfume. These are the main categories. On the gift boxes, you will see men's gift boxes, women, and unisex. And that will be the same on the perfume. So let's go and select the item quickly. Let's select this one. All right, you will see here, this is very important, that each product, there's a 30 ml bottle and there's a 50 ml bottle. Now, they each have a weight classification, because your shipping is calculated according to weight. So you need to choose your option. Let's take the 50 ml and then select options. Click on that. Now you will see that it has been added to your basket, and you can click here on View Basket, or you can go to the very top and select it there. But anyway, you will see here that shipping has already been calculated according to the collective amount of items you have in your basket, and it calculates it according to the weight of all the items in that basket. It will already add the shipping to your total amount, so you can just go and click on confirm order. And this is what I told you earlier about. You see all your details is already here, so you don't have to fill it in every time. Just click on continue and click on place order. Once you clicked on place order, you will receive an email from DFFY Perfumery that will include your order number as well as the bank details for DFF Perfumery. So you need to pay the amount into the bank account and use the order number as your reference. But you will also be contacted by the owner via telephone, and she will arrange everything with you from payment to shipping and everything. I hope this video has helped you, and enjoy shopping. Thank you.